Hi beauties, I'm super excited today to be sharing with you the new Colourpop Wild Nothing collection. The first item that I'm showing you is their new Luxe Lip Oils. They come in these gorgeous shades and they are absolutely phenomenal. They are antioxidant rich and they leave your lips so kissably soft. So I absolutely love these, and I'm going to do some swatches so you could see the colors. The first color here is called Dewdrop. It is clear, so it makes a great option to wear on its own, or you could wear it over a favorite lip. The packaging is absolutely gorgeous, and I love the gold. These are lightweight and they feel amazing on your lips, and they definitely do hydrate and leave you with the softest lips of life. I absolutely love the applicator, and it just applies the lip oil perfectly to your lips. The next one I'm going to show you here is called Skinny Dip, and it's all the shades in these gel oil lips they're very sheer, so you're just getting a hint of color. This one here is called Playa Vista. And again, it's just a hint of the most beautiful nude color. They just add a hint of color to your lips. Here is Hot Shot, which is a bit warmer. And they blend beautifully into different lip liners as well, if you'd like to add a lip liner. And here is Bengal. So this has a little bit more of a rose tone to it, and it will just make your lips look absolutely gorgeous while also nourishing them and making them super soft. Now here is the Wild Nothing palette. This palette is so gorgeous. I literally cannot believe it. Just the artwork alone on the packaging is so beautiful. And the shades inside are just absolutely stunning. They feature mattes, metallics, and super shock shadows. And it is ready to be your everyday go-to palette. For sure, it's just absolutely stunning. Or you could, of course, take it up for a little more drama if you like. But I'm going to show you the shimmers first. And I'm just going to swatch right here the color Sultan. And then that's still Sultan. And then here is Coastline. And then here is Seashells, which is one of the most gorgeous, unique shades I've ever seen. It's just unbelievable. Although they all are, but that's just a little something different. This one has a hint of green. And Cove, so beautiful. And then here is Spirited, which is absolutely stunning. They're so creamy, and this is just one swipe. These are not wet, and this is natural lighting. I have no artificial lighting with these, and they come out so beautiful. So now I'm going to show you the mattes in the collection. And here is Crystal Cove, top down. And this is Morningside, which is absolutely so beautiful. This is Vagabond, Hot Springs, that was No Bounds, and the last one was Come Together. So here they are. They're so beautiful. They're really unique desert inspired shades. So they'll give you a totally natural, wild and free kind of look. The blushes in the collection are just, you know, the Colourpop blushes are always my favorite, but these are just on another level. They're so good. And the artwork on the packaging is so beautiful. And these do come in a larger size pan, so that's really great. But these blushes are just phenomenal. So the first blush that I showed you was Crossroads. The pink one was On the Horizon, and this one was Wayfarer. So I just cannot get over the artwork on the packaging. I just love it so much. You're just gonna feel so good when you have it on you. So now they have come out with new cream shadows, and so these are new from Colourpop. They're just unbelievable. This is the shade Bronco. You can wear them on their own, or you can layer shadows on top. You can layer Jelly Much on top. They're just so beautiful. This shade here is Moonbeam, and they're truly long lasting. I literally cannot believe how long that they last. They stay put. They don't transfer onto other parts of your eye, or they're just really, really amazing. This shade here is Camouflage. So you could definitely wear them all over like a wash of color, or pack the shadows on top. And then this here is Laurel. And then these are the Jelly Much shadows. I also cannot get over how beautiful these are, how creamy, how absolutely just, oh my God, I've never seen anything like it. That's one swipe. You don't have to wet them. You don't have to do anything to them. They apply to your skin, to your eyes, just like that. So you could definitely apply these over your shadows or over the cream shadow, which is a look I'm going to do next. But I haven't done that yet, but I'm going to do that next. I'm going to show you guys a look next. That's Mystical. The first shade is Mojave. So the whiter shade is Mojave and the golder shade is Mystical. And I just had to show you these outside because I literally could not believe how gorgeous they are. So now I'm going to show you a little look that I put together using the palette. So I'm just applying some of the matte shades all over my eye. And then I'm just smudging some under my lower lashes. This is actually the shade Morningside. I absolutely love this shade. And then I'm going in with No Bounds and Come Together, sort of mixed together, and packing them on the outer portion of my eye. And I'm just smudging out No Bounds on the outer portion of my lower lashes. And then I'm just applying some concealer just for the front portion of my eye. And then I'm packed on the shade Spirited, which is just so beautiful. It's just really amazing. And I just put it right on top of the dark shade No Bounds, so it would kind of flow all together. So I just took that shade Spirited and I put it all over my lid space area. So as you can see, it's sort of, the dark shade is sort of peeking through underneath Spirited, and I just thought that looked just like a more natural option, a softer look. So you could definitely pack these shimmer shades over your darkest shade and it just comes out so pretty. And then I'm just bringing back Morningside with a little tiny brush that I got at the art store, just to give myself a crease because I do have hooded eyes. And then I'm just smudging some brown liner into my lower lashes. And then I just put some No Bounds on top of my pencil liner just to smudge it out. And then here is, oh my gosh, this is so beautiful, the Jelly Much Shadow in Mojave. It is just unbelievable. I wish I could, I feel like this doesn't really give it even as much justice as how shiny and how sparkly and just unbelievably gorgeous they are in real life. So I'm just applying it again all over my lid space from the front portion of my eye, the tear duct, to the outer portion. And I'm just putting on some lashes, just a very sort of natural lash. And then I'm just applying some liquid liner just to disguise the lash band. This is the Morphe liquid liner. And then I'm applying the Urban Decay Lash Freak Mascara, which is truly such an amazing mascara. I feel like it's a new mascara innovation. And I just like to apply it to my lower lashes. It makes such a huge difference. And then I'm just going in with a little bit more Jelly Much just on the very front portion of my eye. It's just truly the most gorgeous makeup of life. It's just so beautiful. And I put some in the tear duct area, and it just, oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. And then I'm just giving myself a spray of my Alegra Charity Beauty Mist. And I'm just applying some brown lip liner from NYX, and then I applied the lip oil, and as you can see, it sort of makes a nice ombre effect. And this is some blush and the final look.